Allow me to pose a question to you. Have you made use of Google before? Do you know what Google is? And did you know that by using Google, you can make money? In this video, I will show you how to make money out of Google. In this strategy, you will earn more than $175 completely in every single minute. To make this much money, you need to go to this amazing brand new website and combine it with a special trick that I will be showing later in this video. By doing so, you will be making hundreds of dollars every single day. I know that all of you are watching this video come from different countries around the globe. This website will make you happy because it's accessible wherever and whenever you are. The insane thing is, they will pay you in many different options. They have Bitcoin, PayPal, Payoneer, WebMoneyZ, RTM, Perfect Money, and so on. Just stay tuned to this video because I will teach you how to earn that money easily. And I will be showing you how to get free bonus money when signing up for this account. As I said earlier, I will be revealing my trick on how you can double or triple your earning. Make sure that you don't miss out on any of these pieces of information, and especially the tricks that will be revealed in a bit. Hey there, welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Before going to those amazing websites, I will first show you their payment proofs to believe that this is a 100% working website. Every single minute, people around the globe are making money out of this platform. As you can see here in this part is the date when they paid, and here is the username, the amount, and lastly, the method. Just take a look at these guys. They're making hundreds of dollars, and by scrolling down below, you will see screenshots also from the guy who receives their payments. It's absolutely insane. So much from that, let's go back to their homepage. On this page, just scroll a little bit down and you will see how it works. First, you need to create a brand new account. Second, shorten your link from YouTube and share it with individuals. And if someone from Greenland clicks on your link, you will be making $22. And if the click came from Ireland, you will earn $16. Yes, you heard that right. You will be earning money per click. If you receive 20 clicks from Greenland, you will earn $220 instantly. Lastly, earn money. It's very easy, like 1, 2, 3. To start the first step, all we need to do is click on register right here on the upper right portion of the site. Now you will be redirected to this page right here. All you need to do is enter all the necessary information. Please enter your username, email, password, re-enter it here. Have a click on this CAPTCHA right here, and of course, this box to confirm that you agree to their terms of use and privacy policy. If you don't want to enter your details here, you may also sign via Google, which is faster and more convenient. After signing up automatically, you will be receiving a $1 sign-up bonus. The minimum payout for this website is only $5. The thing that I love the most about this platform is its daily payment frequency. Some websites will be paying you in a week or a monthly basis, and the insane thing is they cover a lot of payment options. They have Bitcoin, PayPal, Payoneer, WebMoneyZ, ARTM, Perfect Money, and many more. Now, once you already have your brand new account, all you need to do is go to YouTube and find a YouTube video. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now, here on YouTube, all you need to do is browse weight loss videos. I came up with this video content because there are available forums on how to lose weight nowadays. And this kind of video content also can get many clickers around the globe. After you enter the search bar, click on the filter right here and have a simple click on this week right here. The videos that will appear in this portion right here are all the latest videos this week. I do it so that the content I will share in the forums later will be up to date. After filtering, you will choose videos right here. And in my case, I will be choosing this one. Doing so, you will be redirected to the page wherein you can view the video. As you can see above, there's a unique URL. Just copy that all the way to the end, and copying the link, proceed to shrinkme.io. Click on the new shortened link and paste the link right here. And click on shorten. Shortening the link will take a couple of seconds. After shortening the URL, just click on this icon right here. Now that you have already shortened the YouTube link, all you need to do is go to the forums available on Google. Just click search on the weight loss forum and make an awesome entry. By doing so, you will see all the available forums on Google. In my case, I will choose this one right here. This is just one of the forums that you can join in order to have many clicks on your link. Most of the time, when you join a forum, all you need to do is to create a brand new account. In this case, in order for you to create an account and start earning money online, all you need to do is click on the register right here and enter all your details. I will humbly recommend that you will not use your real name. Just use a code name if possible. You can join as many forums as you can. The more forums you can find, the more links that you can share. The more people click on your link, the more money you will earn. That is the main principle of earning money online in this manner. Congratulations! You made this far with this video. In this part, I will be revealing some tricks. If we go back to the payout rates on this website, we can see that we can earn more if the click comes from Greenland. In order to have more clicks in that particular country, just follow this step. Go to Google search settings right here and click on advanced search. Doing so, you will be redirected to this page where you can be able to see the region right here. As you can see, it was set to any region. All you need to do is filter this one. Just click on the drop-down arrow right here and select Greenland. Doing this trick will get you more clicks from Greenland. If you are already done with Greenland's forums, proceed to the next country that you will pay the most. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.